Ready? These kind of
Doing
smell
sweet
good.
potatoes.
These kind of smell good. Keep your hands down.
Say, yeah, right, Dad.
Yum!
Oh, let go of that. Let go of that, you turkey.
Say, I like the spoon.
You're gonna be one of the messiest eaters, aren't ya?
Just playing with the spoon.
Are you eating it, or are you storing it in your cheeks? Little chipmunk. Ready?
Oh. Good stuff, apparently.
Yummies.
Think you like it.
Let go. Let go. Let go.